Welcome back to our classroom. In this video, we are going to use refractive index formula from the Snell's law and apply it in this problem. And the problem is for the same angle of incidence 45 degree. For the same angle of incidence 45 degree, the angle of refraction in two transparent media. The angle of refraction in two transparent media, I named it 1 and 2. The problem they given, medium 1 and medium 2, is 20 degree and 30 degree respectively. For the same angle of incidence 45 degree. Angle of incidence is 45 degree, but the angle of refraction in two different media, two transparent media, 1 and 2 different media. The angle of refraction in the first medium is 20 degree, the second medium is 30 degree. They give which medium is optically denser and why, they are asking as question. We know that Snell's law, the refractive index n is equal to sin I by sin r. I is angle of incidence, r is angle of refraction. From this Snell's law, we can write refractive index n is equal to sin I by sin r. From that formula, Snell's law formula, refractive index n is inversely proportional to sin of angle of refraction value. R is angle of refraction. Here we are using two different medium 1 and medium 2. For the first medium, the angle of refraction is 20 degree. For the second medium, the angle of refraction is 30 degree. Compare this sin 30 and sin 20. Which is greater? Yes. This sin 30 is greater than sin 20 value. Yes. Because it starts from 0 and 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So, sin 30 is greater than sin 20. From this formula, I am going to use n, refractive index n of first medium is equal to 1 divided by sin 20. Why? For the first medium, the refractive index, the angle of refraction value is 20 degree. So, instead of r, I am going to substitute sin 20. And similarly, for the second medium, the refractive index n2 is equal to n suffix 2 is equal to 1 divided by sin 30. Because in the second medium, that is, angle of refraction value is 30 degree. Angle of refraction here, right? Angle of refraction value 30 degree. Angle of incidence is same, right? Angle of incidence is same. Compare 1 by sin 30 and 1 by sin 20. Which will have maximum value? This one or this one? Yes, this one. Because sin 20 is lesser than sin 30. Therefore, the refractive index of n1 is greater than the refractive index of n2. That's why I wrote here. Therefore, the refractive index of medium 1 is greater than the refractive index of medium 2. Full stop. Thus, the medium 1 is optically denser. Yes? Have you understand well? Yes, I hope you understand well. Thank you. Moving on to the next problem based on the same refractive index. The refractive index of a medium with respect to r is r base greater than 1 y. Again, read the question. The refractive index of a medium with respect to r is always greater than 1 y. The refractive index value n is always greater than 1. That is the question they are asking. Okay. What will be the answer? Yes. As we know that the refractive index n is equal to the speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. As a basic concept, we know that the speed of light in vacuum is the fastest. Yes? So, that is a key word for this answer, for this question. Here, I wrote the answer. The refractive index n is the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum. The symbol is c. The refractive index n is the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum. Notation is c 2h speed in a medium v. Simply we can write refractive index n is equal to c by v, where c is the speed of light in a vacuum, 2h speed in a medium. It's clear? The speed of light in vacuum is the fastest. The answer, the key is the speed of light in vacuum is the fastest. So c is fastest when compared to v. Right? It means c is greater than v. So the value of refractive index n is always greater than 1. It means c is greater than v. So the value of refractive index n is always greater than 1. By derivation form, here I wrote n is equal to c by v. C is greater than v. C is fastest. The speed of light in vacuum is the fastest. If c is greater means greater value divided by smaller value is always greater than 1. That's why they are asking the question. Yes, I hope you understand, right? Yeah. Thank you.